Magruder sent a Gatling gun from Dodge on a train, or it's already out there laying the trap. You know? Come on, let's go! Get on that horse and follow me. Try to keep up.
Hey, Clay! Just in time. Cole, can you give me a hand with these powder kegs? As I unload these TNT barrels, do me a favor and move them into position by those loose rocks over there. Oh, and be careful with these barrels. They're not very steady. Throwing them around.
Not up here, down there by the tracks.
We need all four of them to cause the rock slide. Clay'll help you position the barrels from above. Clay'll help you position the barrels from above. Just place them around those rocks and listen for his word.
That'll do. From up here, it'll be easy to shoot that TNT right as the train enters the canyon.
Wait! Chavez and the boys thought they could take the train at Dodge, but it was a trap! They're getting slaughtered!
Let's go! We gotta get to the train before our men are wiped out! I'm praying Chavez can hold them off. They're just around this bend. Protect the resistors. Take out Hoodoo's men on the train!
Hit the floor!
Right on!
Gracias a Dios!
Can we tie down the gun?
Follow me to the ambush area! Yeah. Come on.
Barrel down there while I finish moving the ammo up the hill.
Hey, the barrel goes over here! Perfect!
Great! Now get up here onto the ledge so you can shoot the barrels before the train passes. Hold your fire until the train gets into the canyon. Give it just a little more time. Wait. Steady. Fire!
Get him! What's going on? What's going on?
You better have a look at this.
Looks like you aren't the only ones being driven off your land.
Bet you McGruder's using them for slaves.
Get him out of there!
They want water. Bring up some canteens.
Ah, shit.
Dishi ine at e.
Then take them home.
Inde slago na sinzed na di tin beka.
Now I've set many free.
Where did you learn Apache?
I'm not sure. It's like I could understand what he was saying, but I couldn't quite speak it.
Better get back to the hideout and plan our strike.
Come on.